learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. This month we're taking you to places asking you, have you seen this, have you seen that before? 怎么问说你有看过吗 Have you seen this?
是看过吗？
是看过吗 And it could be yes. 是 or 是 which is no. Very simple, right? That's just the structure of this Q&A. But how about let's ask people if they've been to a concert? 你有看过演唱会吗 Have you seen a concert before?
是看过演唱会吗？
演唱会吗 Okay, 演唱会 that's 演唱会。
对
That's a concert.
那海陆腔演唱会演唱会。
哎呀，怎么差那么多啊？让 Okay, it's actually quite different in a different dialect for a concert.
演唱会
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 演唱会 Okay, now, I think 你的答案应该是有吧？
有啊，歌曲都懂好听。
哦，就是歌曲都很好听。
对
Okay, so the answer is yes, and all the songs were beautiful. Okay, 怎么说？
有啊，
有啊，
歌曲都懂好听。
歌曲都懂好听。哦，就很好听。歌曲啊，就歌曲嘛。
对
That songs are beautiful. 歌曲。OK， 那万一有人没看过的话，我们要教你怎么回答好了。比如说我没看过啊，那你陪我去看吗？你好不要脸哈！问完马上就是要人家陪。
对呀。
Okay, how about maybe your answer is, oh no, I haven't seen one ever. Would you like to go with me?
我不是看过，
我不是看過 That means no, I haven't seen it.
是我去看好吗？
陪我去看好嗎？陪我陪我 That means accompany me 去看好嗎？
好啊。
好啊，一定的啦，对不对？All right, there's a lot of concerts that are coming up actually next month. 其实台湾无时无刻都有很多国际巨星都会来到台湾啊，要来办演唱会。下个月也有2组人嘛，我一直很想去看哦，陪我去看咯哈。
OK.
All right, let's review these vocabulary like 演唱会 concert.
演唱会
演唱会 and 在 ICRT 都可以听到很多的歌曲 songs
歌曲
歌曲 and 陪我 accompany me
陪我
It's all about asking have you seen this before 你有看过吗
是看过吗
是看过吗 and 是 for yes or 是 for no All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka
是冇大家
俺只係張來了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.